Me decorating this sugar cookie. It's a marijuana leaf, but I have one hand to decorate this with, my right hand, and in my left hand is my camera. So I'm gonna try to do this without fucking it up too much. I should have just waited until my sister came to assist me, but I don't know. I couldn't wait, so whatever. We're gonna try this like this. So I'm gonna go slow. Whew, okay. Honestly, had my breath held the whole fucking time. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a disclaimer. I have a little bit of a potty mouth. So if you are one of those people that get offended when you hear a curse word, then you shouldn't watch this video. You should go pray about it. But anyway, people who curse more, they're more honest anyway than people who don't. Google it if you don't believe me. But I did the border of the cookie. And now I'm going to let that dry a little bit, actually. So I guess I can keep talking. Should have had some music playing, but whatever. Is it? Okay. So let me see. Hopefully this the sugar frosting don't run over to the side of the cookie. We're gonna try to make sure that doesn't happen. But remember, guys, I'm only doing this with one hand, and the other hand has the camera, so I'm gonna try to get this right. It's easier to do when both of my hands are free and I'm not trying to record anything like somebody else is recording, but just bear with me. So I'm going slow. So you know what? This is actually good exercise because my arm, the muscle in my arm is hurting something awful. I have really big arms. Yeah, I'm a BBW. That's okay though, that's cool. This cookie looks really good. I should try doing this with a camera in your hands. Kind of hard. Okay, so I got that filled in, and I couldn't find my other cookie tool, so I'm gonna use this one to kind of make sure the cookie is covered. Too much I have to mess with this cookie. It kind of turned out nice. Surprise! Oh, that turned out lovely. What? And I did it with one hand. Okay. But no, tonight is a sugar cookie night. And I just wanted to film this for you guys. The cookie is not done. I have to add more details to it. But that's like the basics of decorating a sugar cookie. You do a border and then you fill it in. And then, you know, you can add more details and get more intricate. But you guys can see it. There you go.